That is pure sugar. Technically us sugar that me and Katrina are gonna drink. Oh, eat.
Drink.
Like it.
Shame, I got more.
Justin Bieber, this is for you. We have enough sugar in our bodies to get diabetes. No, I'm joking. So we have enough guts to scream, Justin Bieber, I love you.
Jeez, I just did that.
Okay, yeah.
I need to brush my teeth after.
Yeah, we just skipped. Okay, you ready? It's just actually scream this. Okay. Ready? Scream it. As loud as
No,
you can.
wait.
Scream.
So like, oh here we got something to say to you, Justin Bieber.
Oh yeah. Okay, we have something to tell you, Justin Bieber. I feel like a freak saying this. Okay, ready?
You are right.
2.
What are we doing?
Screaming, I love you. And it has.
Are we screaming it or shouting it?
Screaming it.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. No one can understand. No one else will.
This is going.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Maybe.
Okay, how about we just shout this, okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Take a shot. No, literally. Seriously, I forgot again.
Ready? It's like 1, 2, 3. I love you, Justin Bieber!
Okay, I got it. Okay, try again.
It's so embarrassing. Oh, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I love